When it comes to making healthy choices, fresh juice is at the top of the list. But not all juicers are created equal, which is why this Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer stands out as an excellent option for those who value nutrition, efficiency, and convenience. Whether you're new to juicing or an experienced enthusiast, this cold-press juicer offers a well-rounded solution to your juicing needs. Let's dive deep into what makes this juicer an ideal choice for health-conscious individuals. The Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is packed with features designed to extract the highest quality juice while preserving essential nutrients. Comes equipped with a 7-segment spiral system, which maximizes juice yield and minimizes oxidation, ensuring that your juice is not only delicious but also nutrient-rich. This innovative technology allows the juicer to effectively break down fruits and vegetables, delivering smooth, high-quality juice with minimal pulp. The juicer's slow masticating process means that it operates at a lower speed, around 80 RPM, which is perfect for preserving enzymes and vitamins. By avoiding the heat that high-speed juicers produce, the Amzchef Cold Press Juicer ensures that your juice retains more of its natural goodness. This is especially important for individuals looking to get the most out of every glass of juice they consume, as the process helps to retain key nutrients that can be lost during high-speed juicing. One of the standout features of the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is its versatility. Unlike many traditional juicers, this machine can also be transformed into a multifunctional kitchen appliance. With additional attachments, sold separately, you can convert the juicer into a meat grinder or slicer shredder. This makes it more than just a juicer. It's a versatile tool that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks, saving you both time and counter space. Another unique feature is the small feeder chute. While some might see this as a minor detail, it actually adds an extra layer of safety. The smaller chute helps prevent accidents, especially when juicing with children. It also allows for better control when feeding ingredients into the juicer, ensuring that seeds are removed before juicing to reduce bitterness and enhance the flavor of the juice. When it comes to kitchen appliances, ease of use is always a key consideration. The Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer excels in this area with its simple assembly and user-friendly design. All detachable parts are made from high-quality, food-grade antioxidant materials, ensuring durability and safety. The parts are easy to clean, and the included cleaning brush makes maintenance a breeze. This is a major advantage for those who want to juice regularly but don't want to spend too much time on cleanup. The juicer is also equipped with intelligent protection chips, which help prevent the machine from getting stuck during operation. If you do run into any issues, the reverse function is a handy feature that allows you to clear blockages without having to disassemble the entire machine. This makes the Amzchef juicer not only efficient, but also practical for daily use. The Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer isn't just built for efficiency. It's designed with your health in mind. By extracting juice at a slow, controlled pace, it ensures that your juice is free from oxidation and retains as many nutrients as possible. Whether you're juicing leafy greens, fibrous vegetables like celery, or soft fruits like oranges, the Amzchef juicer produces high-quality juice with minimal foam and sediment. Commitment to health and longevity doesn't stop with the juice. Amzchef stands behind their product with a 2-year warranty on both the motor and accessories. This provides peace of mind and demonstrates the company's confidence in the durability and performance of their juicer. If any issues arise, Amzchef's customer service team is ready to assist, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to prioritize health can be challenging. That's where the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer shines. Compact design makes it a great fit for any kitchen, whether you're living in a spacious home or a small apartment. The sleek black finish adds a touch of sophistication, making it an attractive addition to your countertop. This juicer is perfect for individuals and families who are looking for a reliable and efficient way to incorporate fresh juice into their daily routine. Whether you're juicing for health, convenience, or simply for the love of fresh juice, the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is a solid choice that delivers on its promises. Final verdict. Overall, the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer, black, updated, offers a powerful combination of advanced technology, versatility, and user-friendly design. Its slow masticating system ensures that you get the most out of your ingredients, preserving essential nutrients and delivering high-quality juice with minimal oxidation. The ability to transform the juicer into a multifunctional kitchen tool only adds to its value, making it a versatile addition to any home. With its easy assembly, intelligent protection chips, and low-maintenance design, this juicer is perfect for those who want to enjoy fresh juice without the hassle. The peace of mind that comes with Amzchef's 2-year warranty and excellent customer service further solidifies its place as one of the top choices for health-conscious individuals. Whether you're new to juicing or a seasoned pro, Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is a worthy investment that will help you elevate your juicing game and support a healthier lifestyle. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and get ready to enjoy the freshest juice you've ever tasted.